One of our newest offerings shown at the assembly show this year is our Force Guide product. This is a very exciting product that we have. It's a fully integrated force sensor that goes directly into the servo loop for the robots. This allows us to compensate motion with force. We have a force monitor that's built into the system, so you can actually monitor force and position at the same time. You'll notice that the robot has the ability to find and follow when we're doing this application. You'll see how it has the ability to search for edges on the parts. It can search for depth on the holes. What makes the product really unique is that the configuration screen allows you to configure the force guidance as opposed to programming the force guidance. Typically, you'll have to understand commands to make the force sensor tie into the robot motion, but what Epson's doing is we're actually configuring the tools in a graphical interface as opposed to programming the force sensor. And this is what really makes this the most powerful option for our robots.